All parties Hurriyat conference leaders in occupied Kashmir have expressed deep regret that despite the passage of over 3 decades, victims of the Kunnan Poshpura mass rape have not been provided justice. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian troops had gang raped around 100 women of all ages from 8 to 80 on the night of 23rd February in 1991 during a siege and search operation in Kunnan Poshpura area of the Kupwara district. Former governor of the occupied Kashmir Satyapal Malik has condemned the Central Bureau of Investigation raid on his house, saying that he will not be scared by such actions. According to Kashmir Media Service, Satyapal Malik said that the searches at his premises were an offshoot of his complaint exposing the people involved in corruption. Occupied Kashmir chapter of the Indian National Congress has urged to hold the Lok Sabha and Assembly elections in occupied Kashmir at the earliest. According to Kashmir Media Service, a meeting of the party was held to discuss the preparations and the strategy for elections. Prime Minister of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Chaudhry Anwarul Haq, has urged the United Nations to take measures for the settlement of the long-pending Kashmir dispute for the permanent peace in the region. According to Kashmir Media Service, Anwarul Haq, in a statement issued in Muzaffarabad, said that the world highest forum should take measures to implement its resolution on the Kashmir. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has expressed solidarity with the victims of the Kunnan Poshpura tragedy and urged the United Nations to take notice of the worst human rights violations by the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, speakers in a seminar organized by the APHC AJK at its office in Islamabad and presided over by the convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar strongly condemned the role of the Indian government and judiciary in protecting the troops involved in the tragic incident of the Kunnan Poshpura mass rape.